Are you also struggling with an ant infestation in your garden or home? This trick will help you enjoy a clean house in just 3 minutes. Take a glass container and pour in half a liter of filtered water. Then, add sugar, which acts as a lure to attract ants. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the water. Its sweet smell will effectively attract the insects. The next ingredient is boric acid, which repels ants. Add 1 tablespoon of boric acid to the prepared solution. Now, peel a banana and cut it into smaller pieces. The banana peel has properties that also attract ants. Drop the banana pieces into the glass container with the prepared solution. Mix everything well so that the banana absorbs the liquid. Wait a few minutes. You can now place the soaked banana in areas where you've noticed ants. If you have ants in your garden, leave the banana pieces near the plants. Ants will easily find them, and the boric acid will effectively repel them. You can also place the banana outside the house, on the driveway, or near the doors. This is an effective method that will help you enjoy a home free of ants. Here's an American trick for ants, and it works fast. If you want to get rid of them from your garden or home, this simple and budget-friendly mixture is all you need. Grab an empty plastic bottle and cut off the bottom to create a shallow container. It shouldn't be too deep. Using a soldering iron or something similar, poke a few small holes around the lower part of the bottle. This step is important, so pay attention. Ants are a common issue, especially in spring and summer. In the garden, they can cause a lot of damage. Now for the key ingredients. Baking soda neutralizes the acids in ants' bodies and disrupts their digestion. Add 5 teaspoons of baking soda into the bottle. Next, the bait. Powdered sugar attracts ants with its strong, sweet scent. Add 5 teaspoons of powdered sugar to the mix. Pour in a little water and stir until it forms a pourable paste. Thanks to the holes, ants will easily find their way in. Place the trap where you see them most often. You can also pour a bit of the mixture next to the bottle. Watch how quickly it draws them in. It's an effective way to get rid of ants for good. Just a few drops will deter ants. If you want to get rid of them in your garden or home, this simple and inexpensive mixture is all you need. It won't harm plants or household members, but effectively repels ants. To prepare it, you only need a few household ingredients. Take a pitcher and pour half a liter of water into it. Then add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Its intense smell disorients ants. Mix the solution thoroughly. Next, add half a teaspoon of garlic, which irritates ants. After adding the garlic, mix again and add half a teaspoon of pepper. Wait a few minutes, then strain the mixture through a sieve. Pour the prepared mixture over areas where ants are present. Cinnamon, garlic, and pepper, especially black pepper, contain substances that irritate ants. Therefore, using this previously prepared mixture will cause ants to avoid areas treated with this solution. In just 1 hour, you can completely get rid of ants. You'll eliminate the entire ant nest without using any harmful chemicals. All you need are 2 ingredients you probably already have at home. Grab a lemon. It's the main ingredient in this trick. Then prepare some matches. They're the second key component. The lemon plays a crucial role here. Its juice and peel contain natural essential oils that are toxic to ants and disrupt their communication. Take the matches out of the box and stick them into the lemon, with the wooden ends going in and the sulfur tips pointing outward. Use at least a dozen. The more, the better. Let me explain how it works. Place the prepared lemon directly on the ant nest or wherever you often see ants. You'll notice the first results within minutes, and the problem will be gone after about an hour. The matches absorb the lemon juice, which triggers the sulfur to dissolve. This natural combination drives ants away effectively and keeps them from coming back. There's no need to spend money on expensive products. What you already have at home is enough. It's a cheap, safe, and effective way to deal with ants in your garden, on your patio, or inside your home. I apply Vaseline to the areas under the doors and windows. It sounds like it doesn't make sense, but it actually makes a huge difference. You probably wouldn't think to apply Vaseline to the gaps by the doors and windows. However, it's a really good trick. When it starts getting warm, we usually open the patio doors. Unfortunately, many of us have ants in the garden or on the patio. As a result, we often avoid opening the doors because these insects frequently find their way into the house, but we don't have to forego the fresh air coming through the doors. You just need to use this trick. It will only take you a moment. Ants usually move along a single path when they want to get somewhere. This is usually some sort of indentation. If you know which path they take, it's perfect. Simply take some Vaseline and smear it along this path. Ants won't cross the Vaseline because it's an insurmountable obstacle for them. We won't even notice the Vaseline in our daily life. Just smear a strip about the width of a finger, and you can forget about ants in the house for good. It only takes a moment to get rid of ants for good. The ants will flee. A home remedy that works better than chemical products. Prepare a small bowl. Take 2 white tablets. That's aspirin. It has more uses than you think. It contains acetylsalicylic acid, which irritates ants. Crush each tablet into fine powder. Then pour about 17 ounces of warm water into a glass container. This will help the aspirin dissolve more effectively. Add the powdered aspirin and mix thoroughly. Now it's time for the vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon to the mixture. Vinegar has a strong scent that ants can't stand. It also has antibacterial and preservative properties. Mix everything again. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle. This will make it easier to apply to hard-to-reach places. Spray every corner where you see ants. The ants will start avoiding these spots right away and eventually disappear completely. Repeat spraying every few days to keep the effect. It's a simple, inexpensive, and safe method that you can prepare in just a few minutes. Your home deserves it. I apply Vaseline to the areas under the doors and windows. It sounds like it doesn't make sense, but it actually makes a huge difference. You probably wouldn't think to apply Vaseline to the gaps by the doors and windows. However, it's a really good trick. When it starts getting warm, we usually open the patio doors. Unfortunately, many of us have ants in the garden or on the patio. As a result, we often avoid opening the doors because these insects frequently find their way into the house, but we don't have to forego the fresh air coming through the doors. You just need to use this trick. It will only take you a moment. Ants usually move along a single path when they want to get somewhere. This is usually some sort of indentation. If you know which path they take, it's perfect. Simply take some Vaseline and smear it along this path. Ants won't cross the Vaseline because it's an insurmountable obstacle for them. We won't even notice the Vaseline in our daily life. Just smear a strip about the width of a finger, and you can forget about ants in the house for good.